In this video today, I'm going to show you two platforms in which you can sign up, or you can decide to install their apps and play games, and you'll be able to start making money. So what you just have to do is to watch this video to the end and drop your comment in the comment section anywhere you need help to go about how you can go about this platform. Then I will gladly assist you in the comment section. Before we continue, my name is Basi Ejikwajo. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel we talk about you can make money online since Twitter began in 2024. So if you love content like this, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And like I said, in today's video I'm going to show you two platforms in which you can get paid to install and play games. And the first platform, as you can see here on the screen, is known as Free Cash. So Free Cash is a platform where you get paid for testing out games and surveys, and you can earn up to $33.60 per offer, and there are 527 offers that are available right now. That means if you want to do the math, you can say 33 times $527 and you'll be able to see how much you earn just by testing games, apps and surveys on this platform. So there are a lot of tax that are available on this platform. This is Netflix, this is Dice Dream, this is TikTok. So you can get paid for just signing up on TikTok, $2. You can get paid for signing up on Netflix, this is $5, and you get paid for signing up on this platform and reaching the level 10, which is known as Dice Dreams, and you'll be able to get $33.60. This platform, known as Free Cash, have 129,930 reviews on Trustpilot with a 4.5-star rating on Trustpilot. So what you just have to do is to sign up for free on this platform, either with your email address or with your Google account or with your Steam account on this platform, and you will start making money. As you can see here, the average money that is earned by users is $34.62, and you can see how much has been given out in total cash to users on this platform. Just go on to your browser and dial in this keyword known as Free Cash, and you come to this interface, and you can decide to scroll down, and you'll be seeing a lot of things about this platform that is known as Free Cash. So now let's head on to the second platform on the list. The second platform on the list is known as Bingo Cash, with a URL of bingocash.com. So Bingo Cash is a platform where you play games and you win real money. So what you just have to do after clicking on this platform is to click on Get Now. After you get open to this platform, just click on Get Now, and you'll be able to sign up on this platform. So it's how to play. So Bingo Cash is with a trademark. It's where true classic and real cash prices meet. Jump into a world of brain-teasing fun and live with your heart filled with nostalgia and pocket filled with reward. After downloading the game for free, you can start playing regular or cash tournament and win real money. This simply means that you can convert your games. Normally we play games for free, right? But now in this platform is that you can decide to play games for free if you want, or you can also decide to play games and you win real money. You can decide, as you can see, experience the excitement of winning real cash at Bingo Cash. So you can see how much has also been given to people on this platform. It's available on the App Store, it's also available on the Samsung Galaxy Store, and also available on Google Play Store on your Android. So if you need any help, you get free to contact their support at papayagaming.com, and you can also click on the down here if you want to know more about this platform. And one thing about this platform is that they have a very easy withdrawal, and you'll be able to choose your preferred withdrawal method. That means even though PayPal is not working in your country, you'll be able to choose your preferred payment method, whether it's through gift card or whether it's through direct bank account transfer. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, invite your friends to come and watch my videos, so that I will feel motivated to continue dropping videos like this, and so that you get updates anytime I drop videos like this. Don't also forget to click on this like button, like my videos, share it everywhere, share it to your Facebook, share it to your WhatsApp, and until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.